All right, so this problem, they're asking us to verify the combination of 20 things taken 9 at a time is the same thing as the combination of 20 things taken 11 at a time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to calculate both of them. So a combination of 20 things taken 9 at a time using the formula for this is 20 factorial over 9 factorial times 20 minus 9 factorial. Okay, and, and then if we simplify, so this is 20 factorial over 9 factorial, and 20 minus 9 is 11 factorial. So this becomes then 20, if I just go ahead and write this down out, and I'm going to write this out down to the position where I have an 11 factorial. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and 11. And so remember, a factorial is you're writing this out times everything all the way down to 1. But I'm going to stop here at 11 and chop this portion off and just contain it, or not chopping it off, I'm just containing it in the 11 factorial instead of writing it out. The reason for doing that is because I have an 11 factorial in the bottom, and so those are going to end up canceling. Okay. The 9 factorial I'm also going to write, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. All right, so now the 11 factorials cancel, and I've got this really big number divided by this number here. And we can probably save ourselves a little bit of grief on the calculator if we just do some canceling, because some of these things will cancel. So for instance, 9 times 2 is 18. So I'm going to cross those off. And 3 times 5 is 15. And I don't see anything else that's easy. We could do some reducing here, but I think I'll just rewrite what we're left with. This just helps with plugging it into the calculator, so we're not getting such a huge number. Okay. Okay, so now if we just do that out, I'm getting this in the calculator here for the top. So that's 225,738,240. In the bottom, I get 1344. Okay, so if we just divide those, then we get this number right here, 167,960. Okay. All right, so that's a combination of 20 things taken 9 at a time. And I'm just going to show you the start of a combination of 20 things taken 11 at a time, because the calculation actually ends up becoming the same. So if I wanted to calculate the combination of 20 things taken 11 at a time, and I write this out using the formula, this is 20 factorial over 11 factorial times 20 minus 11 factorial. Okay, and then when we simplify 20 minus 11, that's going to be 9 factorial. So you'll notice right here that this is actually the same as what we got when we were doing this combination. Just the 11 and the 9 are flipped in terms of where they're sitting in the bottom, but that doesn't matter. The actual calculation would be the same as the calculation that we just did, and that's why we can say that the combination of 20 taken 11 is the same as the combination of 20 taken 9. Okay, so those will both end up with this being your answer.